All right, everybody. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a great week and hope you guys are going to have a great weekend. This video is another trade review by me. Today on Friday, I took one trade on Tesla. It was to the downside, as you would expect. Taking a look at Tesla today, we did dump 6%, 60 points. When looking at the other names, like the market, for example, we're only down a quarter of a percent. Taking a look at a name like Apple, for example, we're down 0.2% as well. Um, so, taking a look at Tesla, what I acknowledged fairly early on that made me want to short Tesla rather than a name like the market. First of all, we opened in the middle of our zone. That's been the theme of this entire week. Opening in the middle of the zone, letting the trade set itself up, and then striking at that opportunity. So that's what I did. We open in the middle of our zone. We move up and down. We chop a bit, make a little rally before eventually rolling over all day long. And so what I was looking for on Tesla is zooming out a bit, taking a look at the 15-minute time frame. Yesterday and pre-market, we were in this liquidity zone. And if you've been in my group, or if you know the way I trade around these liquidity levels, generally these old POC levels, when we rally back into them, as we did this week and the week before, we pushed into these levels. These levels generally give the market makers a nice opportunity to short the rally. And so that was exactly what I was looking for on a name like Tesla. So that's why I haven't been trading Tesla during the week. We've been stuck in this liquidity zone. So I've been playing it fairly patiently, waiting for the reversal into my 1 hour 880 level below. And so at 10:33, I believe, I finally found an opportunity. So this is how I basically, what I like to call, responsibly chase a move. So if we zoom into Tesla, we can see we had this nice dump down, held very cleanly under my momentum levels. The 21 MA on the 1 minute chart, very clean trend down, straight into the 880 level, where we actually just bounced right at the 30-minute mark of the hour. We had a nice bounce. I let it bounce, and basically near the top, as we approached this 1 minute 21 EMA that we've been holding under this entire time, I went short and I grabbed some puts. My plan was, if in the next 30 minutes by 11 we don't get a close under this level, I was going to be out of this position. Generally, if we can hold above this by that hour mark after diving straight into it, what's probably going to happen is the stock's going to hold that level. We're probably going to get another couple closes close to a level but still above it, and then rally higher. And so very easy plan. Wait for a nice bounce off that level. The premiums got destroyed on just this 3-minute bounce. I believe they went from 4, the ones I was looking at, the 870 puts, went from 4.2-ish, somewhere around there, all the way to around 2.5 where I got in. And yeah, my plan was to sell into momentum to the downside, try to get that close under, and sell if we can remain under this level. And what ended up happening is 30 minutes later, we got the close very far down under this 880 level. It looked extremely bearish. Let's take a look at what was happening on ES at the time. So ES, we'll zoom in here. Okay, it's actually after this big rally, and ES was rolling over as well. 10:30-ish where I found my entry. ES diving into this 15-minute level below, so nice time to also short Tesla with the market, hoping that we can break this low, get back down to this 15-minute level and crash some more. The market holds up fairly well. And around 11, it's actually looking to base. It's starting to hold some of these indicators and starting to push higher. So not the most bearish view for the market. And so I think for that reason, at 11:02ish, I ended up closing my position. The premiums were up a ton down here, and then in just a couple minutes, it started getting ripped out. My plan already worked. I got that push under my level, and it being a Friday, plus it being already a fairly choppy week, I did not want this green position to turn red and we completely rally. At the same time, of course, I was looking at ES, and I saw ES wasn't at low of day. ES was not breaking under any of its levels. In fact, it looked the opposite. It looked like it wanted to hold and push higher. So around 11:02, 11:03ish, I ended up cutting my position. I believe I sold at 3.4 or 3.5ish. Let me double check. I'm checking my account right now. Yeah, so I got at 3.4 after getting in at 2.5. So fairly nice percent return trade. And personally, I feel like the way I executed this was extremely well, the best way possible, because ES could have easily continued to rip. In fact, it actually did. Once again, Tesla was the only name. Like, ES after that 11 mark kept going higher and basically didn't stop, while Tesla, on the other hand, did end up holding under this level, held nicely under the 1 hour chart before eventually in the day making another nice push down all the way to 856. So this wasn't a trade I was going to catch the full move. Being, like I said, being a Friday and being the choppy week that we were in, the way I executed this trade was perfectly great. And so that being said, I don't have much else. Just a quick update on my position yesterday and the day before. I identified that we were chopping. We were opening up in the middle of my zones. So I didn't take any trades. So 2 trades this week, both green. Another day of just a one and done trade, and I'm out of there. But that being said, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Let me know if you have any questions on Twitter at Clean Trading Shah. But once again, have a great day.